Welcome friends. In this video we would learn how to extract from a vector, matrix or data frame. Suppose we have a file, first import the file. This is our file which contains the values for the year from 1998 to 2014 for the variables GDP per capita and internet. Okay friends. So I am just taking its first vector, that is GDP per capita, and I'm extracting it, giving and assigning it to a new vector x. So now x is our vector that contains 17 values for the GDP per capita. Okay, so now we want to extract nth value from this vector. This is a vector. Suppose I want to extract the second value here, 1405. This is second value. So what will I do? This extraction in R always is done using square brackets. Okay friends, just mark it. Whenever you extract from vector, matrix, list, you use square brackets. Okay, so I would just suggest so I would use x, the name of the vector you want to extract from, and square bracket and second number of element, run. The second is 1405. If you see, this is the value we are seeing here. This is second element. Okay friends, similarly suppose you want to extract not only one element, we want to extract suppose three elements. Those are irregular, like 2, 3 and second, like second, third and sixth variable. This second variable, sorry, second observation, third observation and sixth observation, we can use this command in this way. Similarly, suppose you want a sequence from second to sixth, you can use this command. Suppose you want like irregular, you can use this command, and irregularly spaced outcomes in this way. Suppose you want the outcomes, those are more than 1800, you can use this command. If you want to extract the values less than 1800, this is the command. So if we see friends, all these values are less than 1800. You can take any value here. Similarly, we will use equal, double equal sign, just to mention equal, because equal sign, single equal is used for assignment operator. So double equal is like actual arithmetic equal. Okay friends, so we want the values, those are exactly equals 1800. It will say no, there is no value like this. So okay friends, this is the way we extract from a vector certain values, certain observations. Similarly, the way we include or get values, you can also exclude and get the remaining values from a vector using negative sign. Suppose uh, you want the vector x that doesn't contain third observation. So what we'll do, suppose we have x vector, this is the x vector here, the old x we are having, and what I want a new vector z that doesn't contain this third value 1427.998. So what will I do? I will generate a new vector x and a square bracket minus third, means exclude the third. Okay, I could, so now I see in this vector first value is same 1398. Okay, second 1405. Okay, third is now removed and fourth is coming at third place in new vector. We can assign it to a new vector as well. Similarly, the entire task is same. You need to just mention minus sign and all things are same as we had done earlier. So this is the way friends we can extract or exclude values from a vector. Now we move to matrix or data frames. The procedure for extracting is same for matrix or data frame. Suppose we have a matrix X that contains value from 5 to 10, two columns and two rows and three columns like this. This is our matrix we have generated here using matrix command, which has two rows and three columns. Suppose you want to extract ij value, like I is stands for row and j for columns. Okay friends, suppose I want this value 7, this is the value 1 2. I is 1, j is 2. I means row number 1, j is column number 2. I want 1 2, that is 7. So x 1 2. Now we are getting this output. In this way we can extract our value. Suppose you want to extract the entire first row 5 7 9, you will do x square brackets, mention only this row number 1, don't mention column sign, only 1 and comma, it will give you the row. Similarly, suppose you want this 5 7 9 5 7 9. Suppose you want to extract a column, suppose you want second column, so don't mention the row index, simply comma and 2. 2 stands for second argument, that is for column. It will give you 7, 8, second column, 7, 8. Okay friends, so this is the way we extract from vector and matrix or data frame. The procedure for matrix and data frame is same, but suppose your data is having the structure of list, then you will use double squares to extract from a list. Okay friends, this is the way we extract. Thanks for watching.